Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change flow rate or in OrcaSlicer. So first, what we are going to do, I assume that you are already you have opened your model. So what you're going to do next is look at the left panel under the filament section. I have right here these three, as you can see, filaments. Now what we need to do is select the filament you want to change from the drop-down menu. So let's say you will do this first one, okay, and select edit like that. Now it will open up this big settings window, basically more settings like that. Make sure you are on the first tab labeled filament and look down for the setting named flow ratio right here. Change the number in the box. So to reduce plastic, fix over extrusion, lower the number. For example, change to 0.98 to 0.96. Now, to increase plastic, as you can assume, you can increase that to, let's say, 1. Now, what you're going to do is click the save button, this floppy disk icon in the top right corner of that window, and give your profile a custom name. So let's say we will do it Happy Shark. Happy Shark, and I can do that like that. Just that flow that we know why what we changed. So also so you do not overwrite the original default settings, and then just click OK. And now it's saved. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.